In 2012, I applied to the ECTRIMS-MAGNIMS fellowship program. The aim of my application at that time was to broaden my horizon and to see how people with MS are treated in a different healthcare system and how research is done in a world-leading research institution. My host institution at that time was University College London at Queen Square, Institute of Neurology, and the institution has a great history in neurology, and I'm very grateful that Dr. Declan Chart and Professor David Miller hosted me at that time in London for a total time period of 2 years. I learned at that time how Queen Square Hospital treats MS patients, what the indications are for a disease-modifying therapy in UK, how often MS patients got MRI, physiotherapy and rehabilitation and so on. I learned that Queen Square was the first institution in the world with a MRI dedicated for MS research specifically, and this is of course a great advantage. I learned how to organize a clinical MRI study with patients from the first clinical project idea to the research publication in the end. And back home in Basel, I applied what I have learned in London in different clinical MRI studies. I am now research group leader at the Department of Clinical Research and Department of Biomedical Engineering at the University of Basel, and our research group is involved in different clinical projects, and I basically apply what I have learned at that time in London practically every day in my research practice. I strongly recommend young researchers the ECTRIMS Fellowship Program, as this is a unique opportunity to get to know top researchers in the world, build research networks and dive deep into research in a top university. I'm very grateful that ECTRIMS-MAGNIMS has given me this opportunity.